Okay, let's look at non-linear circuits as well. So non-linear type of application you can also build from op-amps. Okay, so Vi is there, R, and then there is a diode. Current flows through this is ID. Voltage across this is Vd, V out. Positive is connected to ground, that is B, and A is connected to Vi, you can see. Okay, so the same circuit you can implement by using this kind of configuration as well. So Vi and R is same, but instead of using a proper diode, we used a transistor NPN that is in PN junction form. How? Because its collector is connected to ground, virtually ground, and base is also ground, so you can see it as a diode connected transistor. Okay, so the same application, it will both the circuits will give same application, that is logarithmic amplifier. Okay, so the output will be a logarithmic function of input in both the circuits. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Let's look at the working of the circuit. So you can see here, by applying virtual ground concept, you can write the equation. So here, when the diode is forward biased, the current passing through the diode will be this. Okay, ID is equal to I naught e to the power Vd divided by eta Vt minus 1. Okay, if you open it, this is how it will look like. And if you move on and write in terms of here, you can see ID plus I naught is equal to I naught e to the power Vd divided by eta Vt. ID will be very greater than I naught, that's why you can neglect this term. Okay, and you can approximately write it to ID, and that is how you can see. So you are essentially neglecting this term. Okay, ID is equal to I naught e to the power Vd divided by eta Vt. So this will be the current, and if you apply the KCL at a point, that is I is equal to ID. So I is Vi minus 0 divided by R, and ID is I naught e to the power Vd divided by eta Vt. So you will get Vi divided by R is equal to I naught e to the power Vd divided by eta Vt. Okay, so you can see the exponential relation. Okay, if you now you will calculate the value of V naught. So you can take logarithmic both the sides here. You can see Vi divided by I naught R e to the power Vd divided by eta Vt. Take logarithmic, so ln Vi divided by I naught R is equal to Vd divided by eta Vt. So you will get Vd is equal to eta Vt ln Vi divided by I naught R. Okay, but also you have seen Va minus V0, if you will apply the voltage, that is Vd. Okay, Va is 0, so V naught will be minus Vd. Okay, so here you can just replace the Vd with V naught with minus sign. Okay, so you can see that so this equation comes from voltage drop across the diode. Okay, so from there we are getting, so this is the relation actually. So Vi is logarithmic related to V naught, you can see. Okay, so this is a simple circuit to produce a non-linear output from the input by using op-amp. Okay, so here also you can, both the circuits will work in same fashion. Okay, the transistor and the diode one, because essentially they are providing same same circuitry. Transistor also is working in diode fashion, and diode anyway it's working as diode function. Okay, so I hope it is clear.